Hi guys, Anne-Marie here. The seller sent me this 54 watercolor paint set to take a look at for an honest review. So I'm going to open this up, show you all about it, and test it out. Let's take a look. Here's everything the kit comes with. You have these sponges here with 6 of them. And then you've got this nice little palette here. It's a nice presentation too, so if you're going to be giving this as a gift, I think they'll be very impressed. And then you've got your canvases here in a little pack, and it has 1, 2, 3 of those, which is nice. And then you have your easel here. And then you also have your sketch pads, which is 50 sheets. Pull that out, and inside you have a set of brushes. So you've got a nice variety of brushes here, from your fan to your slanted to your small fine tips. Really good variety of brushes. That's great. You have a wide range of the rainbow here. Lots of different options from white all the way down to black. And then you have your nice variety of spatulas here. Again, all different sizes. And then once you're done with the drawer, all you do is just slide it back in there and lock it back into place so everything doesn't fall out. For the easel, there is a little latch back here. Just undo that. And then you can see on the back here, it's adjustable to whichever way you want it to go. And this folds out, and you just put your canvas on there and you're ready to paint. And that's it. And it's adjustable back and forth of whatever size you want. So all in all, it's a really nice set of lots of different options for the artist out there. So this would make a great gift for somebody, especially for the holidays or for a birthday, or for yourself if you're an artist. So let's test it out. So I thought I would show you the consistency of the paint. I've put a little red on the canvas here. And a note as well, when you're opening these paints, they are sealed. So all you have to do is just take the lid off, and on the top part there is a little puncture. Just stick that right on there. It'll puncture that seal, and then you're good to go. So I will show you here as I've been testing them out already, the consistency of the paint itself. And I'll just put some on here just so you can kind of see that consistency. It does cover really well. And all in all, I think this entire kit is great. If you have an artist in your life that you know that you want to get a gift for, this would be really good. What's great about it is this entire kit is very compact. So once I'm done and I've cleaned everything, I can just put this together, drop this down, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So it's very good to travel with. This would make a great gift for somebody for the holidays, for their birthday, for an anniversary gift for the artist in your life that you love. I really do recommend this. I really like it a lot. I'm excited to just kind of play around with it and have fun with it. I think there are a lot of different options here, which is good. And all in all, I think they've done a great job of putting this little kit together. And I think it's really nice and fun and a nice presentation. And yeah, I recommend it. I'm excited to use it.